So welcome guys. So this is Primary Technologies, website design agency here in Nigeria. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to create an investment website. All right, how to create an investment website for forex trading and crypto trading. Okay, now we are already in the dashboard of the investment website. You can see this is the dashboard of the investment website. You can see that. But quick one, let me quickly show us how the outward appearance is, the front end page of the website. Let me just show you guys how it looks. All right, you can see that this is the front page of the website. It's very unique and sleek. Okay, very unique and sleek. So let's quickly go back to the dashboard. All right, so this is the dashboard of the website. You have the account balance, you have the total profit, you have the bonus, you have the trading count, you have commission, total deposit. You understand? And on my left here, you have the portfolio where you just go, you check for the various assets the user have. If it's Bitcoin, if it's Ethereum, you can see if it's Bitcoin, if it's Ethereum, how much value of it he has. You check it over here. And also here is the trading section where you trade currency pairs or crypto. All right, this is it here. What do you want to trade? You want to trade the crypto markets, bonds, forex, options, stocks. You understand? So you have an option there to trade any of them. So currently now is on USDT BTC. See, you put the amount you want to trade. You set your leverage, set your time duration. If it's 1 minute, just like your option trading, all right? Then if it's buy, you are buying, you buy. If it's sell, you want to sell, then you sell. All right. Then you also have the trading bots. It's an AI kind of features. So let's observe and see how that looks as well. You see, here you are going to subscribe to a plan. All right. Now, if you want the bot to be giving you free signals, I said free signal. If you want the bot to be giving you paid signal, you're going to subscribe to a plan. You can see this website is very, very good. And also here's the market where you just assess the financial markets, how the market structure is. This for crypto. You can just check for any of the cryptocurrency here. So the next one here is copy trading, whereby you copy experts, you copy their trade and you go to your own trade and apply it there. You see here, you have people doing copy trading. You can just copy any of their trade and automatically you are doing yours as well. All right. So now here's the deposit section. If you want to make a deposit for your account, maybe one could deposit Bitcoin or USDT, you just come to the deposit section, then you put the value of what you want to deposit. All right, you put it value. Yes, if you click on deposit, then it's going to ask you BTC. If it's BTC you want to deposit, just put how much you want to deposit in BTC, you click on proceed. All right, so that's that. Then here's the transaction. Okay, here's the transaction history. Let me check that. All right, here's the transaction history. You can see, and one important good thing about this website is that you can generate automatic transaction from the admin section. Okay, you can generate automatic transaction from the admin section. Now here's the academy. Do you want to learn about the website? Do you want to learn about forex? You want to learn about crypto? Anything you want to learn about, you just go over to the academy and you see the courses there. You know how to contact the live support on how to get any of these courses. Okay, now if you want to fund, let's go back to the home. You can see currently now my account balance I have $95,000. Okay, you can see total profits I have zero balance. So I will just want to fund this total profit. I'll just head over to the admin. All right, this is the admin of that website. So I'll go to the okay, this is it here. I'll just click on credit. Then it was going to ask me, what do I want to credit? Is it the balance to so I click on debit, it's credit I want to click on. So we click on credit. Let me click that again. I'm clicking on credit, then total profit. Let me put $8,000. Okay. Then here description I'll just put on credit, then you can add in description of your choice. Now I say proceed with. If you want it to notify the user, you can just click on notify user, right? Then let me click on proceed with fiat credits. See fiat to attention, fiat credit, total profits credited. So let's check that. Okay, let's go back to our website and check it. You see on 0.00 balance. So let's refresh this our website and see. Alright, can you see that the balance has been added? So you can also do for the bonus, you can also do for trade count, you can also do for commission. Alright, so before quick one, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to build this kind of website today. Alright, so let's close this now. Now you head over to your file manager. Alright, this is your file manager. Sorry, this is your cPanel. Your cPanel, and if you need a cPanel, you need to purchase your domain and hosting from any of your host service provider. So on the cPanel, you go to your file manager, then you come to public_html, then you click on upload. We are going to upload the file, then you click on select file, then this is here, then you click on upload, then you wait for it to upload. Alright, so that's going very fast, so we just have to wait for it to get to 100. Okay, good, it has gotten to 100 and it has shown green. So we go back. Alright, then you see here, you just have to right click on this zip file and click on extract and click on extract files again. Alright, so you click on close. Now you open this folder, here, then you see these files here. First of all, you go to settings, then you show hidden files just in case any file are being hidden. You save that, all the hidden files will just appear. Now you select all, right click, then you move them to the public_html directory. So I'm going to upload them. I'm going to move these files now into this public_html directory, then click on move files. All right, they are not here, so let's check our public_html. Okay, they are here. So this is the installation guide. In case you don't know how to use script, you just right click, then click on view. Okay, so you follow the exact procedure it says here. First, it said download and extract the zip file to public directory or subfolder or domain, which we have done. Say create a new database and import SQL file inside the SQL folder. So let's go back to our file manager. Now the first thing first is to download our SQL file, and the SQL file you find it in this SQL folder. This is the SQL file. Okay, so we say database.sql, but I love to name my SQL, because I have a lot of database SQL that come with this default name. You can just save it with anything you want. Let me just save this with let me rename it with crypto SQL, or let's say prime SQL. Okay, But if you are not having enough SQL files on your computer, you can just save it, whatever. So I'm going to right click this and download. Okay, yeah, you can hear it's going to show that it has been downloaded here. Look at it, recent download history. All right, so head back to your file manager to create your database, because here it says create a new database. All right, so go back to our cPanel, then search for database. All right, database wizard, you click on it, then click on your database. Let me name here DB. All right, then let me name here DBB. Okay, so I always allow it to generate password for me, so I'll click on the password generator. Now copy this, copy it, then click on I have copied in a safe place. You take it and click on use password. Now this password, you are going to copy it in your notepad so you don't forget. You are going to copy it in your notepad. You paste it there, Control V. Then you click on create user. Okay, you click on create user. Now copy the username and the database name you have created. Copy them, then put them on this notepad, so that I can easily remember. Then you click on accept, you click on all privileges, you tick there, and you scroll down and you make changes so the database can handle all those function. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is to upload our SQL file we just downloaded. You remember the prime SQL we downloaded, we need to upload it. Now to do that, you go to php my admin. Yes, it's php my admin. All right, that is where we're going to upload our SQL file. So this is the database we just created. You click on it, then you click on import, because we are going to import the SQL, and you click on choose file. This is the SQL file. You click on it, then you open, you scroll down and you import. Okay, so all right, that has been imported. Okay, so next thing we want to do, let's go back to our installation guide. It said go to control folder, config folder, and edit.php, edit config.php. Okay, so let's go back to our public underscore html. It said we should go to control folder, config folder, then config.php. So we're going to right click on this, then click on edit, and edit again. Okay, so then it said okay, so that's it. Then we're going to edit our database. Now this is our database. We are going to edit all these. All these are default, so we need to edit them. First, we are going to start with the database user. So you come here. Remember, you copied it on your notepad. We are going to copy the database user, which is this. You copy that, then you go to your config database user. Sorry, database user, right? The one I copied was the database name. So let's copy the database user. This is the database user here. You copy that. Okay, you copy that. Then we'll go back. Then you paste it. Okay. Then the next one is the database password. So we'll come down, go to our notepad, and copy the database password. Okay. Copy the database password. You copy it. Then you clean the default one. You paste that. Then the last one is the database name. So we'll go back to our notepad, you copy the database name, Control C, then we clean the default one here. You clean the default one here, then we'll paste that. Then after doing this, you click on save changes. Okay, save changes. So let's go to our installation guide. It said okay, how to set up SMTP. Okay, let's check our website if our website has been successfully installed. You go back to your cPanel. All right, now this is the website here, so you just click on the link. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Can you see that the website has been successfully installed? Can you see that? Very beautiful. Just the way we saw it from the beginning of this video, right? So this is how to build an investment website. And if you need access to these scripts, if you need access to the files, kindly contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is going to be displayed on this description of this video. Okay, thank you very much, and see you on the next episode.